I really did think it was going to be so much more difficult, but it's really not. It's amazingly simple. I definitely think it's worth it because it's not like a regular hair tie where you're eventually going to go through it and wear it out. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on the Ponyo. I don't know if y'all have seen it. It's been in my newsfeed on Instagram and on Facebook for quite some time now, and I've been super intrigued by it, I guess you could say. And after having my husband have to cut 2 ponytails out of my hair last week, I decided to take the plunge and get one. I got 2 of these for about 20 bucks. It's super easy. I did it for the first time within 3 seconds, so I think it's super easy. And I love it. I wore it all day yesterday in a ponytail. 1, it did not put a crease in my hair, which was amazing. 2, it did not give me a headache. I usually have a headache by mid-morning from my ponytails. And 3, it didn't fall out. I didn't have to redo it at all yesterday, which was awesome. Usually I have to redo my ponytail like 15 times a day. And I don't have really, I have long hair, but I don't have thick hair. So it's not because there's so much weight. You can do like the half pull through. And I do that, I use that since I've gotten it, I've been doing that when I don't wash my hair at night, when I take a shower. I just put it in the half pull through right on top of my head so it doesn't get wet. And it's been awesome. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do. So here is gonna be a side view. So make sure it's fully open, full circle. Okay, gather what you want. And I've done both. The times that my hair has gotten tangled and my husband's had to cut a ponytail out is when my hair's been curly, and I've done the half up. It's like it picks up residual little strands hanging down and gets all matted up in my hair tie when I've been looping it around again and again and again. But I've done this with a half up, and it's been super easy. So then you just pull it through, okay, clamp it, right, twist, twist, and voila, you have a ponytail. It's so easy, and like, I mean, it doesn't go anywhere. I was doing this all the first day that I had it, and it never went anywhere. And I love how much more lifted my ponytail looks. That's awesome. When you're done, you fold it out, and then you just kind of pinch both ends and have it come undone. Yeah, the key is making sure it's fully open. Thumb, first finger. All right, pull through, flip the hair over, squeeze, and then curl it under, twist it under, whatever it's called. And voila. Super easy. Am I right? Like, I thought it was going to be so much more difficult. Ooh, let me bring it down a little bit. I really did think it was going to be so much more difficult, but it's really not. It's amazingly simple. And I've put my hair up, half up when I've had it curled. I have this beach waver, and so it leaves these pretty waves. And I have had 0 issues. Honestly, the biggest issue is getting from the curls, like when I'm doing this half up thing, getting this part to separate from this part, you know? And then I just put it in and voila, it doesn't have to be pulled out. It doesn't get tangled. It's great, honestly, to me. And you get 2 for the price of 20, and then however much shipping is, I can't remember. But I ended up paying 20 because I had the whatever % off. I definitely think it's worth it because it's not like a regular hair tie where you're eventually going to go through it and wear it out. You know, it's not that material, it's not elastic. So I think it's money well spent. I hope